Welcome. I've been doing a series on this cheap touchscreen stereo, and this video I want to talk about the headlight dimmer wire kind of thing here. So when I originally wired this, I had one wire left over from the factory harness, and it was this orange wire, and it said dimmer, and then I had this green wire on the stereo that said headlight. So if I look at the wiring manual, if I look at the wiring here, it's A6 is the wire. So I did some investigating and found out that this is indeed the dimmer wire here on the radio, the screen wire. And I thought it was, but I just wanted to check first. So I have these hooked up now, and I have the stereo on, and I'm going to turn the headlight on, and you can see that dimmed a little bit. I turn it back off, turn it on. So that's pretty important. I was driving the other night, and I turned the headlights on, and this thing was super bright at night. So it was really glaring. It was kind of hard to see. So this will work better now that I have this connected. So I'm going to put a crimp connector or solder this in. I'm not sure yet. Okay, so I'm injecting this in the middle of the video I shot earlier, and it's nighttime now, and this is the screen with the headlights off, and I'll turn the headlights on, and it dims. Now, it's kind of hard to see on my camera phone, the difference here, but it's significant when the headlights are on, which is this, it kind of glares and it's kind of distracting. And then when you do this, it turns it down just a little bit. It's subtle. It's not perfect. This is super cheap, so you don't have like high contrast you would in a more expensive system, but it does drop down a little bit. I wouldn't mind having it down a little bit more probably, and I could adjust it through the slider here. I could take the brightness down a little bit more even at night. So I'm gonna send you back to the rest of the video now. So I do plan on, I'm working on the backup camera, getting that all figured out, and I'll do a comprehensive review of this one of these days also, I'm hoping. So if you have any questions up to this point, please leave them in the comments. If you like this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate it if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.